Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to get the most out of your deep conditioner in a few simple steps. So here I have my deep conditioner, which is the Eden Body Works Natural Deep Conditioner, and two other oils that I will be adding. So make sure that you do choose a great deep conditioner that your hair loves for this process to be really effective. First oil that I will be adding is hemp seed oil because it has amazing benefits for both the hair and scalp. The second oil is Hairfinity's Nourishing Botanical Oil. And I know looking at this ingredient list, it may seem a little bit questionable, but I have looked over each and every single last ingredient, and these are just the technical scientific terms for many of these oils like jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, and other oils that are really good for our hair and scalp, which is why I love this oil. After I have all my ingredients together, I am going to boil some water so I can heat the deep conditioner up later, and I will be scooping the remaining deep conditioner because I had about one more use anyway, so I will be using the remaining deep conditioner. I absolutely love this deep conditioner. It really helps to moisturize my hair. Secondly, I'm going to add 5 dropperfuls of the Hairfinity oil. I really love that it has so many great oils for your hair and scalp, but it's not greasy or your hair doesn't feel weighed down. Lastly, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of the hemp seed oil to the mix, and I absolutely love hemp seed oil. Ever since I started using it, I've noticed a huge difference in the health of my hair, especially my ends. They don't feel dry, they feel really nice and soft and moisturized and very healthy. So now that I have all my ingredients in this bowl, I'm ready to mix everything together. You see how thick and creamy this deep conditioner mix is? That is very important, especially for us naturals, because we want this deep conditioner to give our hair the TLC it needs and deserves. Next, I will be taking this clean glass jar and I'll put the deep conditioner mix into it, and then I'm going to take the boiling water and just put it around the glass jar so that I can heat the deep conditioner up, because when I just put this warm deep conditioner into my hair strands, it'll melt right into my hair strands and making this treatment so much better. So this is how I do heat up any treatments for my hair. I do not use a microwave at all. Even for eating, like heating food up, I don't use the microwave because it essentially will kill the nutrients off. After I pour the boiling hot water onto the glass jar, I'm just going to add the top and let it sit until I'm ready to use it. So here I have shampooed and conditioned my hair. I'm ready to rinse the conditioner out and add this deep conditioner, and it looks really good. I'm going to take a good amount of this deep conditioner and apply it to my hair, and it just feels so good. It's still warm and it's just melting into my hair strands, and this is exactly why I love heating up my deep conditioner, because it just really melts into my hair and makes it feel so much better. I could see that my curls are popping and my hair, it just feels so soft, so smooth, so hydrated, and very healthy. My hands are gliding right through my hair and it just feels so good. I have that slip. My hair is very hydrated, very moisturized, very smooth. It just overall feels very, very healthy. And I'm just going to continue working the deep conditioner in my hair. And when I'm done, I'm just going to twist this quadrant of hair and then I'm going to let it sit. I'm not going to clip it up. I'm just going to twist it. And I have a nice juicy twist. I'm going to continue to do the same process to all of my hair. I'm just rinsing the conditioner out, but my hair, it feels so good, and I just really love applying deep conditioner to my hair this way. My hair is very receptive to this method, and this method also helps with moisture retention. Now I have 2 juicy twists. Here's how my hair looks with just the conditioner in it, and now I will be adding the deep conditioning mix to my hair, and I could already tell that my hair loves it no matter what, but I did mention in my last video that my hair in the front seems to be more low porosity now, and the back is still medium porosity. I just noticed a little bit of a difference with how products absorb into my hair with the front section and the back section. It's still good, but I just have felt a little bit of a difference to how my hair does perform, so I had to make sure that I do treat the front of my hair a little bit different than the back of my hair. I will be making a video soon on determining your porosity level, so make sure that you do stay tuned for that. I had some extra deep conditioner left over, so I will be making sure that I do apply it to the rest of my hair. I will not be wasting it at all. After I've applied the deep conditioner to all 4 sections, I'm going to give myself a scalp massage. And I'm pretty sure that you have already heard about the benefits of scalp massages and doing them consistently. So I do try to do scalp massages about 2 to 3 times a week. And ever since I have been very consistent on doing this, I've noticed that my hair has gotten a little bit thicker. So this is very good for me. I really love thick, voluminous hair. I do scalp massages in the shower about once a month. And as I've already mentioned, wash days are pretty much my only time alone, so where I can really relax, do self-reflection, and this is why I just love that time alone in the shower, away from my 4 children. I love them dearly, but you know, us moms, we definitely need some time alone. So after that, I am going to put a shower cap on, and to further intensify this deep conditioning treatment, I'm going to choose one of 3 options. So this is a hot heads cap. It is the original flax filled microwavable deep conditioning heat cap. So I know you heard the word microwavable in there, so I don't use this too often because it does incorporate the microwave, but it's not putting products from the microwave directly into my hair, just sitting it on top of my head. I hope that makes sense, but this is something that is an option. Another option is a hooded dryer like this. So even though this is in hard plastic, it's still a hooded dryer and very convenient, especially when it comes to storing. So all you do is take a hair dryer and you put the nozzle into the bottom, and the heat and air from the hair dryer is just going to fill up this bonnet area right here. And of course, you're going to secure the snap and drawstring to your chin area so that this does not come off. But this is a very effective way of intensifying any treatment. So these two are very convenient to have and store. And thirdly are hooded dryers like this, and this is my favorite method to intensify any treatment that I do, whether it's from pre-pooling to deep conditioning or any other treatments that does require heat. I absolutely love using hooded dryers like this, and it also has the little knob so you can have cool air. So say if you want to dry your hair but not put heat on it, there's a cool section, and then there's also low heat and high heat. So this is my ultimate favorite way of intensifying any treatment that I do. Out of convenience, I decided to use the hot heads cap. So all you do is put this into the microwave, heat it up for 45 seconds, and then you are going to turn it inside out and heat it up for another 45 seconds. And then after that, you're just going to heat it up one last time with the original side facing for another 45 seconds, and then you are ready to use it. and it is very hot when you first take it out the microwave. When putting the hot heads cap on, you want to make sure that it does not get wet. So that's why I decided to dry myself off a little bit and to make sure that the shower cap was dry. And I had this cap on for 25 minutes. After having the hot heads cap on for 25 minutes, I took it off and I can already feel how moisturized and soft my hair was through the shower cap. And I did take it off and my hair, it just felt so good. And to rinse the deep conditioner out, I just use cool water to help seal the cuticle and help to retain that moisture into my hair. My hair, it just felt so smooth, very soft, and overall my hair just felt so healthy, which is the objective. And lastly, I'm going to put a cotton t-shirt on just to absorb any excess water, as I always do. I never use a towel or even a microfiber towel. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video and maybe you learned a few new tips. And if you did, leave them below in the comments and I will see you in my next video. Bye!